1. Amnesty International is a global human rights organization. 2. Namkilam Wildlife Sanctuary is situated in Ri-Boi District. 3. The largest airport in the world is King Khalid International Airport. 4. The Khasi language belongs to which group of languages? Austroasiatic. 5. Mac-Mohan line separates India with which country? China. 6. The ozone layer restricts ultraviolet rays. 7. For seeing objects at the surface of water from a submarine underwater, the instrument used is periscope. 8. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Pacific Ocean. 9. Who was the first president of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. 10. Which is the largest organ in the human? Skin. 11. Which country is known as the Land of Thousand Lakes? Finland. 12. Who is the 50th and present Chief Justice of India? Justice Dhananjaya Chandrachud. 13. What is the upper house of the Parliament of India called? Rajya Sabha. 14. The Tarat Singh Award relates to art and literature. 15. Which state is known as the Land of Five Rivers? Punjab. 16. What is the national animal of India? Tiger. 17. Which sea has the highest salt concentration on Earth? Dead Sea. 18. Which organ in the human body is responsible for the secretion of bile? Liver. 19. What chemical element is the main component of human bones and teeth? Calcium. 20. Which vitamin is often referred to as the sunshine vitamins? Vitamin D. 21. Which country is considered the birthplace of the Olympic Games? Greece. 22. Who wrote the play, Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare. 23. The Kiang Nonba Award relates to. Sports. 24. Which is the largest public sector undertaking bank in India? State Bank of India. 25. What is the full form of BCCI? Board of Control for Cricket in India. 26. Synagogue is a place of worship of which religion? Judaism. 27. Which is considered to be the highest literary award in the world? Nobel Prize. 28. The term butterfly is associated with which sport? Swimming. 29. Who was the first woman to become president of the UN General Assembly? Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. 30. The temporary suspension of hostilities by mutual consent in order to start a peace negotiation is called. Armistice. 31. What is the primary function of white blood cells? To fight infections. 32. Who wrote the book, War and Peace? Leo Tolstoy. 33. Which gas is used in fire extinguishers to put out fires? Carbon dioxide. 34. For which of these disciplines Nobel Prize is awarded? All of the above. 35. What is considered to be the lungs of the earth? The Amazon rainforest. If you like this video, please like and comment and subscribe, and 90% of you who watched did not subscribe, please sub so that you would not miss an upcoming video. Thank you.